Let's relock my sister's hair. So guys, Uloma's hair was already matted, guys. So I'm going to go in with this gel wax, sectioning comb, sectioning clips and water, because some parts of her locks, like as you can see, had already loosened, and the main problem was trying to like section it, like cut out the horizontal parts, but your girl did it with the help of water. Okay, so right now I'm just applying the product to the hair, and the method I'm using is called palm rolling. So I'm rolling the hair in the direction of the twist I installed. If you guys know, I like installed her locks using 2-strand twist method. So now I'm just rolling it in and then using my palms to roll in the lock with the product. Guys, if you try this without the product, the hair won't stay in place. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this sectioning clip just to hold it down so that it does not unlock or unravel. And for the ones that are actually losing totally, because some are actually losing totally, I just had to just braid them up. I braided them up regular good old braids. Okay, so this is her hair all done. And at this point, we just took down the big plait, and you can see, guys, it was so beautiful. It was giving Chloe and Hailey vibes. Like, looked really nice.